Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Dribbble, how to create your website for your ethical and fair trade trade products business on Dribbble isn't quick. So first type Dribbble on the search like this. So as we know, Dribbble is a website, is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. Also, we know that you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. So first, let's sign in. Now create new business and enter your business name. Type any business name you want. Now select your industry. Now enter your location and choose your website language and create business. So now if you wait a few seconds to generate this website. So let's go to the first section of the website, the header. You can here change the site name if you don't like it. If you want to change it, if you can turn this on, the logo, and replace company name with the logo. And also if you want to upload a file, and here if you want to change the label or add a new label, here if you want to add a link, here if you want to add social link settings, manage the social link settings. If you want to add a channel, here if you want to just select the type of the social link, and here if you want to add the link you can put it here. So that's it. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the banner of the website. You can edit it from here. If you want to change this, the hidden, just click regenerate and it will be changed. Also the subtext, if you don't like it, you can click here. If you want to change the label, you can change it from here. And the link, so that's it. Let's save it. If you want to add the section, just click here and select any section you want. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section. This is the text and image section. If you want to regenerate the text, and here if you want to edit the size or the type of the writing, so that's it. If you want to manage if you want to generate image or manage image position, and if you want to add a label or add a link, so that's it. Here if you want to manage the style of the section, you can manage the image, the spacing, or the background. So now let's save it and let's move on to the next section, the list of the website section. If you want to change this, here if you want to manage your display settings, you can choose what will be displayed for each list item. And if you want to manage your list items here, and also here if you want to add the list item, you can generate image. Here if you want to edit image position, and if you want to generate a title, and here if you want to generate the content, and also here if you want to add the label or add the link. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the testimonial section. You can add testimonial here. You can generate the code if you want to generate by who, and here if you want to upload a file or image. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. So this is the gallery section of the website. You can change this if you don't like it. Here if you want to generate image, another image, and if you want to upload image from browser. So ethical and fair trade products. Click on it and click image, and let's pick some image from here. For example, this. So just put it here and it will be uploaded. If you want to choose it from library or from here, for example, I'm gonna choose this. So now let's save it and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the location section of the website. You can change this. Also here, if you want to change the business address, and if you want to add additional details for it, you can add the title or the content. So here, if you want to manage or edit the style of the section, the type or the theme, or the rounded corners. So here, if you want to add manage the background. So that's it. Let's close this and let's move on to the next section. The contact form section, you can edit it from here. You can regenerate the text if you don't like it. If you want to edit the type or the size of the writing, you can change it from here. And if you want to manage files, here if you want to turn this on and custom input labels, that's it. So if you want to generate a form success message, let's save this and let's move on to the last section of the website, the footer section. You can change your business name if you want to change it. Here, if you want to replace company name with a logo, you can turn this on and upload the file. And here you can add additional details. You can add your business address or any other relevant details. And here, if you want to turn this on and add a new label or add the link. And if you want to manage the social links settings, here if you want to add the channel. So that's it. Let's apply this. If you want to regenerate the content of any section, just select the content and it will be changed. Also the style, if you don't like the style, you can regenerate it and it will be changed. Easy. Also, if you don't like the entire section, you can change it. So now you can just save this and wait a few seconds to publish your website. So now after you edit and design your website business as you like, you can publish your website and get a free custom domain name. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.